Welcome all. Today we have successfully completed 24 problem statements regarding Unix functional database hackathon, which we divided 6 problem statement each. Coming to the first problem statement, list all the seats in specific screen. What I did was executed the query to list all the seat IDs and seat number for the screen one. So which shows the seat labeled for the specific screen as you see on the screen. So which helps customers check availability of the customers and assist data management in seating arrangements. Coming to the problem statement number 2, which is the count the number of reviews for each movie. Which I counted the review. What I did was I counted reviews for each movie using left join between movie and review table, which displays the number of reviews per movie, which shows the audience engagement and helps in marketing popular movies. Coming to the problem statement number 3, which is the fetch updating upcoming shows. So, which what I did was I selected the shows with data greater the time, current data and time, which list all the upcoming shows across movies and screen, which provide the useful for scheduling, promotion, notifying the customers about the future shows, which helps the customer a lot. Coming to the problem statement number 4, the to find the most expensive food items which in the movie theater. So what I did was retrieve the food items with the maximum rate from the food item show menu card, and which identifies the premium price food items, which helps the target high value customers, analyze the review per premium items. So which helps great in the business strategies. Coming to the problem statement number 5, to find the most frequent movie genre. So to execute this, I created a counted number of movies grouped by genre, which segregate the shows genre appears most frequently in the movie theaters, which helps understand the audience preference for movie selections. So as you can, as you can see the output in the screen. Coming to the problem statement number 6, get the most popular shows. So I encountered this problem by counting the tickets sold per show, which identifies the shows with the highest attendance and helps the plan scheduling the marketing for high demand shows for the single screen and the theater owners. And next upcoming problem statement will be explained by Abhishek.
I am Dharmesh Shimri. I'm here to continue from the problem statement 7. Problem statement 7 is find the customers who have made the most spending. Dharmesh Shimri, I am continue with problem statement number 7, which states that find the customers who have made the most spending. Some total booking costs per user that are least users with the highest spending on tickets, which identifies high value customers for loyalty programs and promotions. In problem statement number 8, find the most popular show times. Counted bookings grouped by show time, which shows how much time slots are most booked, helps optimize scheduling and shows allocations. Problem statement number 9 stated calculate the average spending per customer. Calculated the average booking cost per user, displays the average amount spent by each customer, that useful for pricing strategy and designing offers. In problem statement number 10, find the most popular food items order. Uh, Here, summed the quantity of food each items ordered, in which shows food items are ordered most frequently. That is, manage even inventory and plan combo offers. In problem statement number 11, identify customers who have earned more than 800 loyalty points. Selected users with current points greater than 800, least highly loyal customers, useful for targeted promotions and reward campaigns. In problem statement number 18, analyze revenue contribution by each screen. Sum total booking revenue per screen that shows the revenue generated by each screen, helps prioritize high performing screens and plan resource allocations. And next problem statements are continued by Abhishek.
So good evening, everyone. I am here to take up the further problem statements. So let's consider problem statement 13. So here we need to calculate total revenue by movie and the time slot. So we have someone booking revenue per show time and movie and displayed the revenue generated by each movie at different show times, and which helps identify profitable time slots for popular movies. So next problem number 40, which identify users who have booked the movie. So the next problem statement is identify users who have booked the most shows. We have counted bookings per user and showed customers with the highest number of bookings, which help them to identify frequent visitors for loyalty rewards. Then problem number 15, find the most profitable food items and their sales. We have calculated the total sales per food items by multiplying quantity and price at a time, which showed which food items generate maximum revenue, and with it inside. So the next problem is find the most profitable food items and their sales. Here we have calculated total sales per food item by multiplying quantity and price at a time and showed the food items generate maximum revenue, which is useful for inventory prioritization and marketing selling items. So problem number 16, here we need to calculate the total points earned by user in a given period of time. So here we have summoned points earned by per user for the last month and displayed the loyalty program activity in the last month, which helped us to track users engagement and loyalty program effectiveness. So problem number 17, here we need to identify users who haven't made a booking yet. Here we need to select users with no bookings using left join and listed inactive users who haven't made any booking in the past period, which is useful for us for marketing campaigns to re-engaging inactive customer. So by considering the last problem statement, listing users with membership and their current points. Here we have selected users with membership details and current points and display the current loyalty points of members, and which helps to analyze members engagement and reward distribution. So further topics will be taken up by Abhishek Patil.
Hello guys, my name is Abhishek and I will be explaining the problem number 19 from problem number 19 to 24. In problem number 19, we have what I did was select all the food items along with their uh, available sizes and the respective rates. The idea was to create the clear menu view from the database. The explanation is simple. This query shows not only the list of food items but also the different size of food items but options and how the price varies from accordingly to each other. This insight will we gain here is that customer can quickly see all choices available here. So coming to the 20th problem statement, here we worked on finding which payment get get getaways customers prefer the most. I grouped the payments by the getaway type and counted the often each was used. This explanation means we can see if people are paying mostly through UPI cards, wallets, or net banking. This shows that by knowing the most popular payments method, the theater can focus on optimizing those getaways, making transactions smoother and convenient for customers. For 21th problem statements with multiple bookings on same day. For this one, I identified users who made more than one booking on the same day. I did this by counting bookings per user per day and filtering out with the ones from the more than one entry. The explanation is that which helps us to find customers who are really engaged. Maybe they booked for themselves and friends or for multiple shows. This insight is that these customers are highly valuable. They are the ones we can target with special offers or loyalty awards, since they are the already strong. They are already showing strong interest. Coming to second problem statement is peak booking hours. In this query, I counted the total bookings grouped by the hour to identify the when customers are most active in the making reservations. This explains reveal the busiest hours of the day for ticket booking. The insight is that the information helps the theater optimize staffing during peak hours and also schedule promotional notifications when customers are most likely to engage. Trend of the new registration over time. This I analyzed the how many new users are registered on this platform each month. I grouped registration from each by month and counted them. This explains that this shows us the user base has been growing or changing over time. Coming to the 24th problem statement, customers with the highest spending on food items. Finally, we focused on the food spending. I summed up the total amount each users are spending on the food purchases, and also customers are spending the most on the food items, not just tickets. This explains the targeted promotions, exclusive combos, and or special royalty points since they contributed significantly to non-ticket revenue. That's it, guys. Thank you.